In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 free apps that could actually make you money for watching videos. And this app has actually made me money in the past, and also this app has actually made me money in 2024. So if you want to know the name of this app, make sure you watch the video to the end and do not skip any part of the video. So guys, without further ado, let's drive. So the first app that we're going to be looking at right here on my list is this app called Junk Task. One thing that I love about this app is that this app gives you multiple ways of making money online. So if I come over right here, you could actually see that you could actually make money by actually watching TikTok videos. So for those of us who will go on TikTok all night, liking videos and watching different kind of content on TikTok, and you're not getting paid, so with this app actually you could actually make money by actually watching TikTok videos. You could also make money taking different kind of surveys, playing games, and also you could also make money by actually sharing your internet. You guys could see right here that a lot of people has actually been making money on this app. You can see right here this app has over 5 million users that are currently making money every single day from this. So this is just to tell you that you could actually make some extra cash from the comfort of your home by actually using your phone. And again, another thing that I love about this app is that this app is actually going to be paying you to complete simple tasks. So if I come over right here, you could actually do some social tasks. For example, you could like someone post on Instagram, you could like someone post on Twitter, and also you could also watch YouTube videos, and you're going to be getting paid from the app. What you need to do right here is you just click on the sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button right here, it's going to take you straight up to this page. What you need to do right here is you just create an account for yourself right here and start making money from this app. And one thing I love about this app is that this app has various payment methods, so it does not matter anywhere you are in the world, this app is actually going to be paying you, because it has different kind of payment methods. It's actually going to be paying you through crypto, through PayPal, and also going to be paying you straight into your bank account. And again, the app is available on both iOS and also on both Android devices. So guys, if you are liking the video so far, make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Second app that we're gonna be looking right here on our list is this app called cointemply.com. So it's spelled COINTIPLY. Basically, you could actually make money from this app by actually watching videos on your mobile phone. And one thing I love about this app is that this app is actually going to be paying you through Bitcoin. So they actually pay you through Bitcoins. So once you watch any videos on this app right here, they're actually going to be paying you through Bitcoin. So if you're someone who is interested in making or earning some money through Bitcoins, then this app is for you. So it also has various way of making money. You could actually make money by actually playing surveys on your phone, filling out some surveys and taking out some simple tasks, and they are going to actually paying you your money. All the links to the app that I just mentioned in this video are going to be down in the video description, so just click on the video description right here to go check them out. Right now I'm going to be moving up to the next app, which is one of my favorites and which is one of the apps that has actually made me the most amount of money online. Some of the website is actually yougov.com, and one thing I love about this website is that this website is actually going to be paying you to complete simple surveys on your phone, and they're actually going to be paying you close to $25 per survey you're going to be completing on the website, which makes this website stand out from any other website on the internet. Actually been using this website for the past 3 years now, and I've made a couple of money from it, and I could guarantee you that you could actually make a lot of money from this website. What you just need to do right here to create an account on the website. So once you're done creating an account, start filling out some surveys, and you're going to be getting paid from anywhere you are in the world. And you could either withdraw your money through PayPal, gift card, Bitcoins. So it has different kind of payment methods. So for those of us from the third world countries, some advice for you right here: if you want to withdraw your money on YouGov, I'll advise you to withdraw your money through gift card. So you could either withdraw your money through Amazon gift card, iTunes gift card, and you could convert this gift card into money. So if you need any assistance on that, on how you could convert your Amazon gift card, your iTunes gift card into cool cash, make sure you send me a DM. So I'm going to be leaving all the links to my WhatsApp in the video description. Just go to the video description. You could also gonna see our group. So if you want to join our WhatsApp community group, make sure you go join the group. The links are gonna be down in the video description. And yeah, if you found the video helpful, make sure you smash the subscribe button, like the video, and share this video to your friends. So if you still want to learn more apps that you could use to make money online, make sure you click the video popping right here on your screen, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.